面条，
面条。
Noodles, 面条, are a kind of time-honored Chinese food. Records say the nobles were fond of the food about 30 centimeters long, which is made of flour and boiled in water more than 1,900 years ago. Mix flour with water and make the mixture into a paste, and then cut it into strips. This is how 面条 is made. 面条 can be boiled or fried. Noodles in China also represent permanence. Therefore, people always have noodles on their birthday to wish for a long lifespan. Noodles are one of the Chinese favorite food, just like the bread for Westerners.
面条，
面条。